Do you know what paper is made from? Paper is made from tree. But how can something as fragile as paper be made from something as hard as a tree? Well, this is made possible by a process called manufacturing. So what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is a process of turning raw materials into finished products. In this case, trees serve as the source of the raw material used to make paper. This raw material is wood. So wood gotten from trees through manufacturing process to be turned into paper. And this same process is how clothes, shoes are made from leather and utensils are made from steel and many other things that we use every day. Can this process be carried out by anyone or everyone? No. Some can be done in the home, but most manufacturing processes are carried out in the manufacturing industries. So, what is the manufacturing industry? A manufacturing industry is an industry that is involved in the turning of raw materials into new products by a mechanical or chemical process. And this can be done at home or in the factory. Industries have factories where manufacturing process is carried out. In a factory, you will find machines, tools, and people with the knowledge and skill to help turn raw materials into finished goods. So, the process by which raw materials are turned into products is known as manufacturing or secondary activity, which is carried out in the manufacturing industries using special machines and equipment. Trust you had fun in this class. See you in the next class.